Good morning, good morning. So as you can see, my kitchen is a hot mess, which I'm not ashamed. We spend time and enjoy life. So especially because we're still sitting at home. So we get it cleaned up though. No worries. So I'm trying to be more thoughtful about how I declutter areas. So I start in one spot and I make my way around the room till I get back to that spot, so I make sure I don't miss anything. So that is what I'm doing today. I'm starting with this counter and I'll make my way all the way around to the other counters, and once I have taken off everything that does not go there, then I'll go ahead and get the rest of the cleaning done. So I'd love to know in the comments down below where you guys are from and what, part of quarantine or non-quarantining if your state has right now. I'm here in Cali and they have started opening stuff back up and the cases have risen, so they're slowing down again. We're not taking anything away like Texas and Florida are, but we are kind of on a standstill. So let me know where you guys are in this process. Okay, by the way, have y'all tried the cold brew from Costco? I have a can sitting right there on the counter that I'm gonna put in the recycle bin. But y'all, I'm telling you, it's so easy to throw that in with some ice and some creamer and drink that during the morning or whenever you feel like it. If you have not tried it, pick it up from your Costco. I think it's like a little over $1 per can. I have seen on some Instagram pages where in other areas it might even be like $1 a can or a little bit under $1. But here in Cali, it's, I believe, like $14 for a 12 pack. Alright, so now I am attacking these dishes. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and hand wash the things that don't go in the dishwasher. After I'm done hand washing, then I just kind of do a light run of the things that are going into the dishwasher through the sink and kind of wipe them down so they're not like crusty or nasty or anything, and then throw them into the dishwasher. Alright, y'all, so I had to go run some errands, and then when I came back, I wanted to go ahead and finish. As y'all can see, I did change my shirt, and don't come for me for the hole. This is just like one of those when you're bleaching shirts, because I had on a black shirt before, and I didn't want to get any bleach spots on it, so I threw on this old raggedy white t-shirt, so therefore if I got any bleach on it, I was not going to be sad about it at all, because this is not something that goes out of the house at all, or even is worn around the house unless I'm cleaning. I really do wish I had some powdered Tide, but I don't, so it's definitely in my plans to pick up sometime soon. But I'm just using bleach and water, and I'm going ahead with a rag and just wiping down all of the surfaces so they can get nice and sanitized. And you want to do this frequently because, especially with the coronavirus on the rise and any other, illnesses or viruses, etc., bacteria, you want to clean up regularly so that germs are not just, festering on your surfaces. And I have been vacuuming my crumbs up here recently. I seen somebody do it. I don't want to lie and mention somebody and not be them, but I did, and I was like, oh, that's genius. Instead of knocking everything on the floor or trying to scoop it up in your rag and shake it out, it's like just vacuum it up, and then make sure you're emptying the vacuum after each use, or at the end of your cleaning session for the day, because you don't want that to sit in there for long periods of time. And I go ahead and rinse out my vacuum filter as well, just so that it's nice, clean, and clear. I want to switch out my set that I put right here in my Grove little tray with my Bubble Up dish brush. That's more of like a summer fragrance. I like the Method Grapefruit, but there's not like a soap or anything to go with it. So y'all let me know, what do you use during the summertime that gives you that fun summer pop? This is the water. How disgusting. So make sure y'all are bleaching, because I clean pretty regularly. And this is the finished product. I did not do the stove because I don't like to mix things up, so I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow.